Hey guys, I'm at the market and I'm on the hunt for some fresh French beans for my French bean Mapo tofu. Let's go. I'm Ching, a TV chef and food writer. To celebrate Veganuary this year, Kum Kee have challenged me to create some mouth-watering plant-based meals. So join me as I seek out the freshest produce and combine it with Kum Kee's famous flavour-packed sauces to make something truly Veglicious. I spy them. Here they are. Lovely basket of fresh, tender French beans. Nice and bright green in colour, really fresh, unblemished skin. So these are full of vitamin A, vitamin C, full of antioxidants, so good for you. And they're going to provide a lovely tender bite for my French bean Mapo tofu. So I've got the lovely fresh French beans from the farmer's market. I want to slice them into nice 1 centimetre rounds. And this is going to add lovely sweetness and texture to the dish. So next I want to prepare some garlic, finely chopped. Next I want 1-inch piece of fresh root ginger. Now I like to grate my ginger because I find that it just melts into the dish. Next I want 1 fresh chilli, finely chopped. I've got here my fresh firm tofu, nice chunky cubes, about 1.5 centimetres by 1.5 centimetres. Now we're ready to wok. Quickly add in my rapeseed oil, then in with my garlic, my ginger and my chilies. Quick stir, just to release the aroma, and then we're going to tip in our French beans. Just stir fry the beans until it's slightly softened. Now I'm going to just push the French beans to one side, and I'm going to add in the tofu. Now just be careful with the tofu, just to make sure you don't break it up. And then we're going to add in Kum Kee's Chilli Bean Sauce, a lovely, spicy, beany, rounded note. Just toss it together, and that's looking so good already. Add in a tablespoon of Shaoxing rice wine, 200 ml of vegetable stock. So once the liquid has come to the boil, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of Kum Kee's Double Deluxe Soy Sauce, and this is going to add a real hit of umami and deep savory note. Then for a hit of sour, I need Kum Kee's seasoned rice vinegar. So just give that a good mix. And then I'm going to just add in corn flour and water. A nice mix. Pour that in gently. Almost instantly transforms the dish. I'm just going to slice up 3 spring onions just for my garnish. Nice thin rounds. Just sprinkle that in. And we're ready to serve. Nice and piping hot. Just so delicious. Just spicy, salty, tangy and crunchy. Now I'm just going to sprinkle with some more fresh spring onions and then some toasted Sichuan pepper. And that's it. That's my French bean Mapo tofu. Delicious with jasmine rice.